Hi everyone, we're here again at Pagkaing Pinoy TV, and today I'm going to show you how to make no-bake yema cake. First thing that we're going to do is to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. So here I'm using 8 eggs. So I'm just carefully separating the egg white, and I'm using 2 bowls where I will put 4 egg yolk on each bowl. So I'll just keep on going. Next, we're going to combine the dry ingredients. So I have the cake flour, the sugar. We're also going to put the baking powder and some salt. Then I'm going to use a wire whisk and mix it together until well combined. Then we will combine the wet ingredients. I have 4 egg yolks. Then I'll add in the vegetable oil and orange juice. So I'm just gonna mix it together until it's well incorporated. Next, we will add the water. And then we will continue to mix it. Next, we're going to combine the wet and the dry ingredients. So I'm just pouring in the wet ingredients, and I'm going to stir it until it's well incorporated. We're going to make the meringue. I have 8 pieces of egg white. I'm going to beat it using a hand mixer until frothy and pale white. Next, add the cream of tartar. Then gradually add the white sugar. Continue to beat until soft peaks form. Then we're going to fold the meringue to our flour mixture. So I'm putting about 1/3 of the meringue, and I'm gently folding it without breaking the air bubbles. So here I'm going to to add another 1/3 of the meringue, and I will continue folding it until no streaks remain. Here I'm greasing the Llanera with cooking oil. So this is our aluminum molder, or you can actually use any pan that you have there. I just wanted to use this Llanera because it looks nicer, and if you wanted to do it for business, this will be a perfect serving that you can have. Now let's pour about 1½ cup of the butter into the molder. Now let's cover it with aluminum foil. You can also use cheesecloth or tea towel. This will prevent water from dripping into the cake. Now we're going to place it in a steamer over boiling water, and we will steam the cake for 15 to 18 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean when inserted. After 15 minutes, here's our cake. I'm going to take it out from the steamer and I will let it cool down. Next, we're going to make the Yema sauce. So I've put in the egg yolks. So this is 4 egg yolks, and this pan is heated over low heat. Next, pour the evaporated milk. Add the condensed milk. Pour the all-purpose cream and add in the vanilla. Stir continuously until thick. Add the cornstarch and continue to stir until no more lumps. To make it smoother, we're going to strain the mixture just like this. The Yema sauce is ready, so let's now arrange the cake. Just gently pour the Yema sauce on top of the sponge cake. So I'm doing the sides first. Let's add some more sauce. Finally, sprinkle some grated cheese on top. If it's for business or giveaways, you can put it in a plastic container and just pour the sauce on top of the sponge cake, just like this. Okay, add some more. Then sprinkle the grated cheese on top. And that's how you make no-bake Yema cake. So I hope you like this video and you can try this as well. If you have any suggestions that you would like me to do on my next video, just comment it below. And click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notifications on our latest video. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page. And get the full recipe from our website at www.pagkainpinoytv.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!